for that kind of stuff in the great United States of America. Is that right? So, I want to salute, first of all, I want to remember those beautiful, those innocent, wonderful country music fans and those victims. And I want to remember them and pray for their families.
Yeah.
I want to salute the first responders in Las Vegas that night. Yeah. From the policemen that ran in to the people in the hospitals that were having a normal night and then their world got turned upside down. I want to salute those guys and girls. I want to salute the country music artists. One of my best friends, Mr. Jason Aldean, who was on stage. Chris Young, Jake Owen, Kane Brown, Adam Craig, Luke Combs. And I want to salute all of music. It's not a country music situation. It's not a country music fan situation. It's a music fan situation, because we were all robbed of our innocence Sunday night. I love you guys for being brave and showing up tonight and understanding. The best thing we can do is show up tonight and do what we know how to do. Have fun as Americans, and celebrate all the music and celebrate country music tonight. Thank you. And I forgot, I want to salute all of our local law enforcement out here tonight. When this happened to us, we had to work with all these security guards, all the state troopers, all the sheriff's department, local police to keep you guys safe. And I want to salute them and the local firefighters and EMTs and EMS here tonight. So let's do a quick moment of silence and pray and think about everybody who was affected. Quick moment of silence. Thank you.